If you manage your company's brand, here are 4 powerful things you need to know about Wikipedia. That's what's coming up on this next episode of Wikipedia Best Practices. The 4 powerful things about Wikipedia, in not any particular order, is 1, it is trusted by the top search engines. It means that it has very high search ranking. That means from being on the first page of Google, as well as being on what's called the Google Knowledge Graph, which is on the right-hand side of Google search results. That content is sourced from Wikipedia typically. The second important reason why Wikipedia is significant for brand management is that it is sourced for pretty much every digital database and digital assistant out there. So that could be Amazon's Alexa, it could be Google Home, it could be Siri, it could be Cortana. Any of those, when you ask a what is question or a who is question, it's typically sourced from Wikipedia. The third component of why Wikipedia is important is that it's community driven and it's a nonprofit. From a branding perspective, imagine that you don't have to pay for those 4 million page views every month for the Turbochargers Wikipedia page, because it's managed, monitored, and updated by a community of people. So from a brand management perspective, that's pretty inexpensive and important real estate to have for your brand presence. And the second component to that is that Wikipedia has this policy called no deadline. It means there's no rush, there's no hurry, and if you want something on there to update the Wikipedia page, bring in that third-party source and have it prepared as a citation and petition it on the Wikipedia talk page and let the community take reins and do the rest. The most important and significant relevance of Wikipedia for brand management is that it's a nonprofit. What does that mean for a brand? It means that the consistency, the foundation, and the infrastructure of Wikipedia isn't going to change. For example, when you are investing in search engine optimization results, the search algorithm changes. The way the algorithm actually scrapes content changes. What does that mean for that brand? It means website redesign. It means updating the content management system and reinvesting a lot of money into digital asset management. Whereas with investing content for Wikipedia, the infrastructure doesn't change. The algorithm, there is no algorithm, it's people run. And any money that you put toward it, whether you're donating it or investing in your media relations to collaborate with the Wikipedia community, is money well spent.